Okay, we had these behind the glass, and we pulled them out to show them. This is the 140th anniversary Summer Supreme saxophone. It's a special matte black lacquer finish, a special engraving, black crystal key touches, limited number. This is number 161 out of 500. The tenor, there's 300. And the niche clarinet, there's 85. One thing a lot of people haven't seen yet, not only are there black pads, but they're black resonators. These are the same resonators that you'll notice they used in the 2022 limited edition. They have a dimple in the middle of them, a point, and these are anodized black. These also come with a special limited engraving on the concept mouthpiece. And I'll tell you, I did sneak a mouthpiece on one and played one, and it is sweet. I think it has a nice dry sound to it. But it's a Summer Supreme. It's a fantastic instrument. There you go.